You know what's strange about success in your 40s? Sometimes you finally get the things you prayed for, and they still don't make you happy the way you imagined. The money came, the career improved, maybe even the house, the respect, the lifestyle. But somehow, you still sit awake at night wondering, why doesn't this feel the way I thought it would? Because nobody warned you that success changes as you grow older. In your 20s, success feels exciting. In your 30s, it feels competitive. But in your 40s, success starts feeling personal. Now it's less about impressing people and more about protecting your peace. When you're young, you think success will feel loud. You imagine celebration, attention, people finally respecting your name. But real life is different because sometimes success arrives quietly. No music, no applause, just responsibilities waiting for you the next morning. And maybe that's the biggest surprise. You spend years trying to reach the top, only to realize peace was more valuable the entire time. Now success starts looking different. Sleeping without stress, having money in the bank, being able to help your family, protecting your mental health, that becomes the new luxury. Another thing nobody tells you, success in your 40s feels heavier because now people depend on you. Bills are real, mistakes are expensive, and pressure no longer feels temporary. Some people are carrying entire family on their shoulder while pretending everything is fine. That's why many people stop chasing attention as they get older. You realize not everybody deserves access to your energy. You stop arguing online, stop trying to prove yourself, stop competing with strangers, and slowly you begin choosing peace over pride. And honestly, life humbles almost everybody before 40. Sometimes through failure, sometimes through heartbreak, sometimes through losing years you can never get back. And those experiences change you. You stop pretending to have everything figured out. You become more honest with yourself. That's why success feels different now. Because younger you wanted to look successful, but older you just wants to feel fulfilled. And those are two completely different things. One is performance, the other is peace. The strange part is, many people actually become more successful in their 40s than ever before. But they enjoy life differently. They value time more, health more, quiet moment more. Because by this age, you finally understand time is the one thing money can never replace. And maybe that's real maturity. Realizing happiness isn't hiding inside expensive things. It's hidden inside ordinary moments you once ignored. A peaceful home, a healthy body, a quiet night of sleep, a small circle of real people that start becoming enough. Because after years of chasing more, you eventually ask yourself one important question. What's the point of success if I'm too exhausted to enjoy my life? And honestly, a lot of people never slow down long enough to ask that question. So, if success feels different in your 40s, you are probably seeing life more clearly than ever before. Maybe success was never supposed to feel loud all the time. Maybe real success is peace of mind, freedom, good health, people who genuinely love you, and becoming someone you respect when nobody's watching. Because at the end of the day, the older you get, the more you realize the best part of success isn't what you own, it's how peaceful you are able to live.